Okay, YouTube, this is GV Lone Guy. I got a couple responses to my post yesterday's YouTube, and I just wanted to reply back here. I'm no expert, and I'm just an average guy that stumbled into this stuff probably 6 months ago, and I've been kind of looking into it. So I noticed that last month we did have a comet that sort of appeared out of nowhere with no warning, and within a couple of days, it was right in the neighborhood of 45,000 miles or so of the Earth. Came out of nowhere. This thing, Honda, that I was referring to, actually I believe is larger than the little thing that came by in June. Now, I'm not, like I said, I'm not an expert. I just know that I want to take a peek at this one thing. This is about the Comet Honda. And the year 1948 was when it was first discovered by these scientists, Honda, Mercos, and so on. Anyway, as you can see, it has been coming around every 5.29 years. Whoop, let me get back over here. We go. And each time there's a little variation. But you can see a trend here that goes from roughly a half of an astronomical unit to about a third and then a quarter, and this one's pretty close at a tenth, roughly, back out to about a third of that distance, which is roughly about, what, 35,000 miles, or thereabouts, 30-some thousand miles. So 96 it was at 0.17, 2001 it came in at 0.11, it's pretty close. '06 it was even closer at 0.09. But in 2011, in August, it's going to be the closest yet. So each time this thing takes a loop, it gets a little closer to us. The thing that worries me about the particular date that we were discussing is the possible effects of the other alignments on that date. So that's my concern. Rolling this one, this shows Ellen and Honda together. And if we roll this one forward to take a look at August 16th, 17th, you can still see that alignment over here. However, see Ellen's out here on the way in, getting closer here. So let's back this out to today. Where are we at here? July 7th. Big day. Big day today. Big alignment day. Lots of earthquakes, lots of action today. Anyway, I'm not saying that I know what's going on with Honda or that much about it. I was hoping that by posting the video, somebody else might be able to bring some scientific data to the table. But when I look at it, with my limited knowledge, it looks, oh, this is just Ellen. I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong one. It looks to me like we've got a large comet coming fairly close to us on, I mean, inside the moon distance, in that neighborhood, close to the distance of the moon. I figured it as somewhere, let's see here, 93 million miles and 0.05 close to it. Anyway, that thing's getting real close. Here's the deal. Honda is really, really close to the Earth at this time. I'm just merely looking at it going, well, I mean, how much gravitational pull from these planets would it take to nudge this thing a little bit in so it gets even closer to the Earth? That's all. I don't know. I hope I'm wrong. I hope there's nothing to this. All I know is it's getting pretty darn close right there around the 16th, 17th. So this is the possible. This video will show a little concern over the recent comet that just missed us at the end of June. Here's this.
So while we all went about our lives yesterday, we came very close to a catastrophic event here on planet Earth, and we didn't know about it. It turns out we just missed getting hit by an asteroid, a piece of solid rock, roughly the size of a 10-story building. Now, I say just missed because it came within 45,000 miles of us. That's a lot closer than the moon is, and scientists say way too close for something that big. Had it struck, again, the people who tell us about these things, say the impact could have had the force of 1,000 Hiroshima-strength atomic bombs over a huge area of.
Whoa, that sounds pretty serious. Um, so once again, I'm not sure what the outcome is going to be, if there's going to be any impact at all, or even if there's going to be any gravitational pull at all. But all I know is the information with this alignment and this Honda Comet coming in, it just concerns me. That's all. I don't know. I'm just saying. All right. Talk to you later.